Hey guys, Packin here. If you ever played Super Smash and you found out that this problem of where this silicone or rubber thumbstick is ripping apart, let's try to fix that. I'm currently using Cubon quick bonding ultra strong super glue. And what I'll be doing is try to drop super glue all over the crevice of the area and hold it shut like this. So to do that, I'm using this Y-tie, and this Y-tie allows me to distribute the Cubond. So instead of pouring the Cubond in and it's gonna be very messy on the whole thumbstick, it's gonna feel weird. Like it's gonna feel a lot smoother rather than it's supposed to be, feel like rubber. So we wanted to put the Cubond in here so you can smear it across the crevice of the area. So let's begin. Make sure you clean it the best you can first before you apply it. There you go. Okay, use this pad to just drip a few on. Like so. Jeez, I gotta put this whole shot, and it's gonna be messy. I'm not gonna. There you go. Try to compensate here. Okay. Let's drop one. Okay. Okay. Now you seal it. Like that. You hold it. It's the only way. And my fingernail got in the way. Okay. It's a very delicate process. There. Just hold it for 10 seconds. Get that out of the way. Okay. Okay, it's a bit smooth on the side, but I believe we are able to yeah, a nice protective. There you go, see? Actually, let's peel this off and hopefully just peeling off the excess. Hopefully it comes off. Before it fully cures. If it fully cures, then there's nothing I can do. So I'm using my nail to dig. Jeez. I'm gonna have autofocus. See, just using my nail to just dig the excess glue because I don't want the whole thing to be smooth. I'm pressing with a thumbstick. And I'm just scraping off the excess the best that I can. But it seems that it's actually holding together quite nicely. So I'm just, because I didn't put a lot in the top, it should come off. So I just don't want to feel the smoothness all around. I just want to feel the little grip of the rubber from the pad. Okay. Well, it works. As you can see, there is no hole. There used to be a rip, a tear in the rubber joystick, and using the Cubond, it actually seals this part in place. So if you're very careful and just use the Y tie. Use this little Y tie you get from a dollar store or something, and just pour it in as a it's a tool to just smear it. You can be very careful not to put too much around the whole stick. So, anyways, I hope you find this video informative, and yeah. Packet signing off, and happy gaming. Thank you for watching.